First we see trigonometric functions. Exercise 3.3. Prove that first one sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to 1. If you know the values of trigonometric function, these questions are very simple. So now take one by one. First one is the left side value sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equals to tan sin pi by 6 sin 30 value is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 60 value also 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 whole square. Tan this is sin 30 cos 60 cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 by 2 square 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. This is equals to 2 by 4 minus 1. What is the question? Minus 1 by 2. Right. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. That is 1 by 2 minus 1. 2 LCM 1 minus 2. That is equals to minus 1 by 2. That is our answers. Next is second one. 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6. Cosecant square 7 pi by 6 into 1 into cos square pi by 1. This is equals to sin pi by 6 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 whole square plus cosecant 7 pi by 6. How much meeting you see? Pi plus pi by 6 square. Next cos pi by 3 value 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 whole square. This is equals to 2 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 plus cosec 180 plus theta. Cosec 180 plus theta, it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cosecant is negative. For angle 180 plus theta, trigonometric function does not change. So minus cosec theta, but here square is there. Minus x whole square equal to x square only, plus x square only. So that we are getting here cosec square pi by 6 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 2. So 1s are 2 2s are. So this is 1 by 2 plus cosec pi by 6. Pi by 6 30 degrees, cosec 30 is 2, so 2 square into 1 by 4. This is equals to 1 by 2 plus 2 square value 4 into 1 by 4. 4 is get cancelled. 1 by 2 plus 1. What is the LCM? 2 is LCM. 1 plus 1 into 2. This is equals to 1 plus 2 3 by 2 is the answer. That is our RHS. Next third one, cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. This is equal to cot pi by 6 30 degrees, cot 30 1 by root 3. So cot 30 root 3. So root 3 square plus cosec 5 pi by 6. This is nothing but cosec pi minus pi by 6. 150 is equal to 180 minus 30. 3 into tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 6 value. Pi by 6 value 30 degrees. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Here square is there, so 1 by root 3 whole square. So root 3 square get cancelled, so 3. Cosec 180 minus theta, cosec theta only. So cosec pi by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 3 square is 3. 1 by root 3 square is 3. 3 is getting cancelled. So 3 plus cosec pi by 6. Pi by 6 value is 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. This is the sixth answer. This is question number 3. Fourth one, 2 square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 equals to 10. See, LHS again LHS is equals to this is 2 into sine square of 3 pi by 2 is equals to what I am writing pi minus pi by 4. Here 4 is LCM, 4 pi minus pi is again 3 pi. Right? This is 3 into 45, that is 1 for 135. 135 is equals to 180 minus 45. Right? Plus 2 into cos 45 1 by root 2, so 1 by root 2 whole square. Plus 2 into secant pi by 3, secant 60 is 2, so into 2 square. Right? Now this is equals to 2 into sin 180 minus theta sin theta only. So sin square pi by 4 plus 2 into sin 2 into 1 square value 1 root 2 square is equals to 2 plus 2 into 2 square value is 4. Here root 2 is get cancelled. 2 into sin 45 is 1 by root 2, so 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1, 2 4s are 8. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 8. 2 is get cancelled. This is 1 plus 1 plus 8. That is 10. 10 is the our RHS. Right? This is the fourth one. Fifth one, you see, find the value of first one sin 75, second one tan 50 degrees. In example only we discussed these values. Right? Now proofs, you see now proofs. Simple problems. First one, sin 75 degrees is equals to sin 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30 is 70. It is in the form of sin of x plus y. Sin x plus y formula sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Right? Now we apply sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. Sin 45 value is 1 by root 2, cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is equals to 1 into root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 into 1 1 by 2 into root 2 root 2. Therefore sin 75 degrees is equals to 3 2 root 2 is LCM. Numerator root 3 plus 1. This is the answer. And sin 75 equals to what? Cos 15. Sin 75 or cos 15 degrees is equals to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Remember this value. Second one, what is that? Tan 15 degrees. So this is equals to tan 45 minus 30. So explain as tan of x minus y formula. So what is that? Tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So this is equals to what? This tan of x minus y formula is tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. This is the formula. Now solving here, you see, this is tan 15 degrees is equals to x is 45, y is 30. You obtain tan 45 minus tan 30 by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. So this is equals tan 45 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. So numerator LCM is root 3, 1 into root 3 minus 1. Denominator LCM is root 3, 1 into root 3 plus 1 into 1. Root 3 get cancelled. This is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1. Next rationalizing the denominator. That means you multiply and divide with root 3 minus root 3. This is equals to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Multiply and divide root 3 minus 1. So what we are getting, you see now. See now, tan 50 degrees is equals to root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 square. Next, denominator root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. It is the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, root 3 square minus 1 square. So it is the form of a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here square root get cancelled, so 3 minus 1. Here square root get cancelled, 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 plus 1 equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2 minus 2 root 3 by 2 is equals to root 3. Therefore, tan 50 degrees is equals to 2 minus root 3. This is the tan 50 degrees solution. Prove the following. Sixth one, cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, minus sin pi by 4 minus x, sin pi by 4 minus y equal to sin of x plus 1. So take the LHS. So you see, it is in the form of cos x to cos y minus sin x sin y. So we know that cos x cos y minus sin x sin y is equal to cos of x plus y. Important question, 2 marks important question this one. See, here in place of x is pi by 4 minus x, in place of y is pi by 4 minus y. So you apply now cos pi by 4 minus x plus cos pi by 4 minus y. X plus y. Pi by 4 is equal to 45. 45 plus 45. 90. 90 nothing but pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 minus x minus x minus 1 taking common x plus y. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Sin. So sin of x plus y is our RHS. Simple problem. So this is the solution. Next to seventh one. Seventh question. Tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. This is the question. See, you take LHS. LHS is equal to tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x. Numerator in the form of tan of x by x plus y, denominator in the form of tan of x minus y. What is the formula of tan of x plus y? Tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y. So after numerator. So that is tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Denominator tan of a minus b. So tan of x minus y. Formula tan x minus tan y. So tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x tan y. 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Now tan pi by 4 tan 45 1. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus 1 into tan x divided by tan pi by 4 1. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus 1 into tan x. So this is equals to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. This one, if you add in numerator, it is taking reciprocal. A by b by c by d equal to a by b into d by c. So in the same way, this is equals to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. This is equal to 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x whole square. Denominator 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x whole square. This is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. This is our RHS. Understood? This is the RHS. In examination, you have to remember the competitive exam, tan pi by 4 plus x is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. Tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. Directly you have to remember those formula. Equal cos pi plus x into cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x into cos pi by 2 plus x equal to cot square x. Proof you see, I am taking LHS. So LHS is equal to cos pi plus x. Pi nothing but 180. Pi by 2 is 90. Cos 180 plus theta, that is equal to minus cos theta. So minus cos x. Right? Next, cos of minus x. Cos of minus x is equal to plus cos x only. Denominator. Sin 180 minus x, sin pi minus x, that is equal to sin x only. Cos 90 plus x, pi by 2, 90 plus x. Cos 90 plus x is sin minus sin x, because it is 90 plus x is second quadrant. The second quadrant cos negative. For an angle pi by 2 plus x, function is changing, cos changing as sin. And for angle pi plus x or minus x, trigonometric functions does not change. Pi plus x is in third quadrant cos negative, so negative. Pi minus x is second quadrant sin is positive, so positive. So this is equal to minus cos x into minus cos x, so minus cos square x. Sin x into minus sin x, so minus sin square x. Here minus minus is did cancel. Cos square by sin square is equal to cot square x. So these are our RHS. Next to ninth question. Ninth question. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos 2 pi plus x into cos 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. I am taking LHS. You see 3 pi by 2 is 270, 2 pi is 360. With degree in degrees, little bit easy. See, those are different same, but you see. For 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions are changing. 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta, the trigonometric functions does not change. So you see once of the table, easily you can solve these problems. See cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, 270 plus x, that is fourth quadrant. In fourth, cos is positive. For 270 plus x, function is changing, cos changing as sin. So sin x. Next, cos 2 pi plus x, 2 pi, function does not change, 2 pi plus x is first quadrant, so it is equal to cos x only, into cot 270 minus x, that is in third quadrant, cot positive, and 270 minus x, function is changing, so cot changing as tan, so tan x, yes, cot 2 pi plus x, 2 pi plus x, 2 pi is 2 pi is equal to what? Cos 2 pi is equal to 360 plus x is equal to first quadrant. 360 plus x first quadrant, function does not change, so cot x only. Now sin x into cos x. Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x plus cot x is equal to cos x by sin x. Right? This is equal to sin x into cos x. What is the LCM? Cos x into sin x is LCM. Numerator sin x into sin x, sin square x plus cos x into cos x, cos square cos x sin x is get cancel 1 into cos x sin square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So 1 into 1 is equals to 1. This is our RHS. This is the answer. 10th question. Sin of n plus 1 into x into sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x cos of n plus 2 into x is equals to cos x. Proof you see, simple one. I'm taking LHS. LHS is equals to sin of n plus 1 into x sin of n plus 2 into x plus cos of n plus 1 into x cos of n plus 2 into x. See, it is in the form of sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. This is equals to what? Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y is equals to cos of x minus y. So a plus b, b plus a percent. This is equals to cos of x minus y. So in the same way, cos of x, what is the x here? N plus 1. N plus 1 into x minus y. Y is equals to n plus 2 into y. N plus 2 into x. So this is equals to cos of you multiply with x, nx 1 into x. Next to minus nx minus 2x. Nx and x is get cancelled. Cos of x minus 2x is minus x. Cos of minus x is equals to plus cos x only. So this is our answers. Next to next to 11th one. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 2 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equals to minus root 2 sin x. See, answer. Solution, to take LHS. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. I am using here formula cos x minus cos y is equals to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. This is the formula. Here in place of x 3 pi by 4 plus x, in place of y 3 pi by 4 minus x. So this is equals to minus 2 sin x plus y 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2 into sin x minus y, that is 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x by 2 minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. So this is equals to minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, total 6 pi by 4 plus x minus x is get cancelled by 2. Next to sin, here 3 pi by 4 3 pi by 4 get cancelled, x minus or minus plus x by 2, right? Here 2 2's are get cancelled 2 3 times, right? Now this is equals to what we got now, minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 3 pi by 6 pi by 4 by 2, right? Next 2 2's are get cancelled, 2 is multiplying in. This is equals to 6 pi by 4 by 2, that is multiplying in the third portion. Here second and third portions are multiplying. So 2 3 times 3 pi by 2 sin 3 pi by 4 sin x plus x 2x by 2. Here 2 is get cancelled. Minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 is equals to pi minus pi by 4 into sin x. this is equals to minus 2. Sin again minus theta, sin theta only. So sin pi by 4 into sin x. Remaining I am writing here, you see, this is equals to minus 2. Sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2 into sin x. So minus 2 by root 2 is equals to root 2 sin x. This is our RHS. See, this is the solution.